All right, everybody, welcome back to Barbells and Burnouts. So, here's what we got going on. We are, man, y'all see that new hat right there? New merch coming out soon, all right? So, we are here in Cliff's shop, right? We are about to swap out this TCT, okay? As you can see, we got engineered explain going in the background. We're about to get right, so stay tuned. Cliff, you said you saw what on there?
Somebody put it looked like red Loctite.
You can see pieces of it right there.
Yeah.
Flakes of it. That is why.
Yeah,
So-
that's insane.
So I've never touched this TCT. This is my first time ever coming. We've done Cliff and I, if you guys go back and look at the video, I'll link it right here. We did the VTEC solenoid, but we haven't touched the TCT at all. Is it looking weird so far to you?
Not really. It's just whoever messed with that last set isn't. There's no reason to put red Loctite at all. It has a crush washer.
Yeah.
There's no need for that.
Well, they said they don't want it to move.
Probably.
You said my engine runs hot as hell?
Yeah, it probably
Burned all that foolishness off?
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta, as you guys can see, it got a leak. I gotta switch up my valve cover. Hopefully that's what it is. All right, so we got it out, okay? Cliff did a great job. This is the OEM TCT. In his hand is the Billman TCT Gen X, I think it's called. It looks very interesting. I guess the what's that, the piston? That's not all the way.
Yeah, that's the
piston's
piston.
not all the way. Yeah, it's really interesting seeing the difference on it. But I know Billman takes the stock TCT and
See, that's the piston out.
yeah, adjusting on that one. Oh, that's the pin he was
That's
talking
the pin he's talking about. Yeah. So once you pull it out,
It's
it shoots
over.
out.
Yeah,
Holds the chain.
makes sense.
Put the
Makes sense.
tension on the chain.
Sorry, the noise in the background is because my engine's so dirty. Cliff said that I need to clean my engine bay. So yeah.
All right. Now, if you look in that hole,
Yeah.
you will see the most delicate.
Oh, I see it. Wow, using the camera is perfect because you can see it right there.
And you cannot drop that.
Oh yeah.
You drop that, we are in deep
There it
dog
is.
mess.
Fingers crossed.
No,
No, we got it. Ain't no fingers crossed. We got it.
We
got
what we
it.
gonna do?
Yeah.
We ain't even messing around with this. We gonna move this out the way.
The whole air intake.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's about the
You don't
intake.
gotta take it off. Just
No, I'd rather. Well, what? Unplug and twist it so it's out the way.
Even if you just take off the
Yeah.
Just twist. It. I just want to out. I want a clear path.
Yeah, and just come straight.
Yeah. I
With
don't
the
want
magnet.
nothing.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Hey man, I trust you. I trust you. Cause I'll be the one. That's your most important moment. God, you got me. I know God's got me. This moment is 6 years in coming because I've been supposed to do this TCT. I've probably been supposed to do this TC for about the last 3 years? About 3 years, yeah. The consequences.
Good grip on it.
Ooh, that twitch. That twitch scared me. Boy,
Get a good clamp.
little baby.
Ain't going nowhere.
It's a little pin. Woo.
All right.
Yes. All right, so she's in. Good. Let's put everything back on.
Bolt up.
Y'all, so thank you, Cliff, for getting me right with this TCT. Boy, that was the quickest thing I ever thought.
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna take so much longer. All right.
Quick job.
Yeah. So she's buttoned up. She's ready to go. No issues. I haven't started yet, but no issues. All right. So I'll catch y'all later. Look out for more content. See you on the flip side.